Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gear Shift. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lectric XP Trike, an electric tricycle that's redefining urban mobility with its blend of stability, power, and affordability. Whether you're a first-time rider, someone seeking extra balance, or just looking for a fun way to cruise around town, this e-trike might be your perfect match. But before we get rolling, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and updates. The Lectric XP Trike stands out with its lightweight yet sturdy design. Weighing in at just 68 pounds without the battery, it's one of the most lightweight electric tricycles on the market. Its foldable frame makes storage and transport a breeze, folding down to 38.5 LX 30.5 W by 30 inches H. The low 13.8 standover height ensures easy mounting and dismounting, catering to a wide range of riders. With a maximum payload capacity of 415 pounds, including up to 330 pounds for the rider, it's built to carry you and your cargo with ease. Under the hood, the XP Trike is powered by a 500W rear hub motor, peaking at 1092W, delivering smooth and controlled acceleration. The unique rear two-wheel drive on an open differential axle allows each rear wheel to spin at different rates, making turns seamless and safe. The 48-volt, 13Ah lithium-ion battery offers a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and assist levels. Safety and comfort are paramount with the XP Trike. It features hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors on both the front wheel and rear axle, ensuring reliable stopping power. Integrated front and rear lights, including a brake light, enhance visibility during night rides. The Trike also comes with a backlit color LCD display, providing real-time trip and battery information, and includes a USB-C port for charging devices on the go. For those new to e-trikes, the XP Trike offers a beginner mode that limits the top speed to 5 miles per hour, allowing riders to get accustomed to the handling before unlocking the full 14 miles per hour top speed. The 5 levels of pedal assist and a twist throttle provide customizable riding experiences, catering to various preferences and terrains. In terms of pricing, the Lectric XP Trike is competitively priced at around $1,500, making it one of the most affordable quality e-trikes on the market. Its combination of features, performance, and price point offers exceptional value for those seeking a reliable and versatile electric tricycle. So, what do you think about the 2025 Lectric XP Trike? Is it the right fit for your commuting needs or leisurely rides? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gear Shift for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in automotive and cycling technology. See you in the next video.